Essential excavator knowledge for beginners. Did you know? There's more than one type of excavator. This video is suitable for all ages, whether you're a student, a mechanical enthusiast, or a novice operator. If you're interested in construction machinery, please continue to watch until the end. The first category is based on the type of movement: crawler excavators. They have low ground contact pressure and excellent stability, allowing them to operate steadily even on muddy ground. Tire excavators. They are fast and flexible, making them ideal for urban roads and leveled sites. Crawler excavators, also known as spider excavators, can climb mountains and navigate underwater, completing tasks in extreme environments. The second category is based on tonnage. Micro excavators weighing less than 6 tons are commonly used in gardening and farmland construction and are very versatile. Small and medium excavators weighing 6 to 30 tons are the workhorses of municipal engineering and construction sites. Large excavators weighing over 30 tons are massive and typically used in heavy projects like mining and water conservancy projects. To put it simply, different tonnages determine the application. From small to large, there's an excavator that's right for you. The third category is based on the method of operation. Face shovels, suitable for excavating materials above their own height, such as mining. Backhoes. Digging downwards, they are the most common type of excavator on construction sites, used for road construction and trenching. Grab shovels and draglines. Mostly used for deep foundation pits and underwater operations, they are more specialized. There are even suction excavators, which use vacuum or water pumps to directly extract materials. The final category is based on the power source. Currently, the mainstream is hydraulic excavators, which are powerful and cover almost all working conditions. In recent years, electric and hybrid excavators have also emerged, which are more environmentally friendly. And this trend is becoming increasingly clear in the future. To summarize, excavators can be categorized by travel style, tonnage, operating method, and power source. The most common type on construction sites is the crawler hydraulic excavator. Remember, each type has its advantages. Choosing the right tool will maximize your results. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you have any corrections or suggestions, please leave a comment in the comments section. Don't forget to follow me. I'll continue sharing more valuable content about construction machinery.